boys from Gravesend, cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
Hey, this is Johnny Pompo, South Philly's finest. Here celebrating the Gravesend series. It's a wonderful series created by William DeMeo, who also stars in it. And it has a host of characters like my good buddy Renee from Rim Cafe. It's a wonderful series. What I love about it is, like all good drama, it incorporates not only the mob gangster life mentality, but it also gets the church involved and religion and the Catholic religion. Then he goes into the church. It's a wonderful, wonderful series, and I think you'll love it. We got our friends Tony Luke in it. We have our friend Stevie Martirano, Stevie Truck in it. Host of other characters, Leo Rossi, William Forsythe, all the heavy hitters. Great, great series. You're gonna love it. And remember, you heard it from here, Johnny Pompo, South Philly's finest.
Creator, writer, director, producer, lead actor, William DeMeo. We are here at the Rim Cafe, and we can't thank Renee for having us down here to support Gravesend. We appreciate everybody's love and support. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Roll through the cash, so down in the gas, rip up the tab, cruise in the ride, strip on the cash, see the best in the way, when you step in the place, who's gonna get the straight, one for the temple, two for the chase.
So what did you do after you made your bones? You made some Mootz, right?
First you make your bones.
It's time you make your bones.
Then you make your Mootz with Frank.
Hi, this is Ken Greenblatt. I'm the line producer of Gravesend. I want to say to William, congratulations, and Renee, what a great party. Thanks for having me. Great time.
Mamma mia si salterà, l'ore belle per danzare che un amor non mancherà. Giallo l'uno mezzo mar, mamma mia si salterà, l'ore belle per danzare che un amor non mancherà. Giallo l'uno mezzo mar.
We got the best mozzarella in town, aight? Frankie's.
I second that. Drop the mic.
Finché in cielo brilla una stella e la luna splenderà, il più bella nella notte danzerà. Mamma mia, già la luna mezzo mare. Mamma mia, si salterà. Fricca, mamma mia, si salterà. Fricca, mamma mia, si salterà.
Number one.
William DeMeo has done a remarkable job as the creator, the writer, the director, producer, lead actor. Most importantly, we want to thank Renee from Rim Cafe for hosting this remarkable evening tonight. Thank you so much. We appreciate all the love and support, and let's continue to keep trending #1 on Amazon Prime. Thank you all.
Derek Alberti and the Street Boss Hanks and Gangster here. Come down, taste the cannolis tonight, baby, yeah. Nobody makes it the way these guys make it. Forgot about it, eh?
Gravesend is awesome. A lot of action packed. So you want to get involved? Check out the trailer. Get involved. Amazon Prime. Whatever you got to do. The people, you're gonna fall in love with the cast. Move in strong, and open your world to a whole new.
And you know what? If you don't watch it, if you're
chapter.
Italian, that's disrespect. Total disrespect. So, coming from the Street Boss.
Alan Sepos. I'm in season 2 of Gravesend. I play a French character named Arthur. The family tries to buy my restaurant. When they can't, they push me overboard.
Hey, Savvy, no, stop! What are you doing? No. They hate us.
I swam for 3 hours in the water and I made it. So I'll be back in season 3. And it was fabulous doing. The ambiance was wonderful. William is a great director. And it's wonderful to be here and see everyone.
One of the favorite scenes is when he's at the church praying and trying to make that decision of what he has to do. You know what I mean?
How is it, Will? How's mozzarella?
The bus. Everybody.
That's her singing.
Hey everybody, I'm Chris.
Rocco.
And Lisa.
We were in the Gravesend series, season 2. What an amazing series, right, Rocco? It was really fantastic. Lisa, what do you think of the series?
Well, you know what? The series is amazing. It's on Amazon Prime. You can catch it.
I have to tell you, you're gonna love it. Go to Amazon Prime, Gravesend season 2, watch it. You're gonna love it.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Valentino. I played Jimmy V in the Gravesend series. We hope it keeps continuing. It is spectacular actors, people, friends, places. It's an amazing show. Go out and get it. God bless all.
Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.